Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix something went wrong with Instagram crashing bug. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Update your Instagram. First, go to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. And if you can see update option, click update and update your Instagram. Step 2. Clear your cache and data. This is only for the Android user. So go to your settings, from that apps and Instagram and storage, and tap clear cache. If it's still crashing, tap clear data. So clearing data will log out you. So make sure to remember your login details. Step 3. Reinstall Instagram. If error is still continuing, uninstall the Instagram completely and restart your phone. For that, go to Instagram, hold it tight, and you can see option remove app. Click that. Once it's remove app, go to the App Store and install the latest version of Instagram. This will refresh all your corrupt files and reopen Instagram without any crashing. Step 4. Check your storage and update. Make sure your phone has at least 500 MB or more free storage. To check that, go to your settings and go to the general option, and you can see option called iPhone storage. Click that and see how many space left on your phone, and check your operating system is up to date. Compatibility issues can trigger this kind of crashes. For that, make sure to update your softwares. So go to the software update. Always make sure to automatically update is on, and go back, click the about and check your iOS version, and check any updates are pending. If there is, click update. Last thing last, wait for Instagram to fix. Sometimes the crash is happening from Instagram side. If nothing works, it means bug is widespread. Keep your Instagram app updated. Maybe the patch usually arrive within 24 hours. The problem will sorted by itself. That's it for the video. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button and enjoy your rest of your day.